Hi Jamie, are you ready to dive into some cool science today?
Absolutely, Alex. What are we exploring today?
Today we're going to talk about the solar system. Do you know how many planets there are in our solar system?
Let me think. Is it 8?
That's right, we have 8 planets. Can you name them? Did you know that each planet in our solar system is unique in its own way? Each one has its own set of characteristics and features that make it special. For example, Jupiter is not only the largest planet, but it's also known for its giant storm, the Great Red Spot, which has been raging for centuries.
Wow, that sounds amazing. I had no idea that a storm could last that long. And isn't Saturn the one with the beautiful rings? I've always been fascinated by them. I would love to see that someday. S1. Yes, exactly. Saturn's rings are truly a sight to behold. Saturn's rings are made up of countless ice and rock particles, each reflecting sunlight in a dazzling display. They look absolutely stunning through a telescope, almost like a cosmic ballet of particles dancing in space.
Earth is special because it's the only planet we know of that has life. We have water, a breathable atmosphere, and just the right temperature for living things.
That's incredible. What about Mars? I heard people call it the red planet. It's fascinating how a planet so far away can capture our imagination so vividly.
Yes, Mars is known as the red planet because of its reddish appearance, which comes from iron oxide or rust on its surface. This rust gives Mars its distinctive color, making it stand out in the night sky.
Cool. And isn't there a plan to send humans to Mars soon? I've read about various missions being planned and the technology being developed for this incredible journey.
That's right, scientists and engineers are working hard to make that happen. They are developing new spacecraft, habitats, and life support systems to ensure the safety and success of future Mars missions. Mars could be the next big step for human exploration. It represents a new frontier, full of challenges and opportunities, pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve.
I think it has something to do with how the sun lights it up, right? The sun's rays hit the moon and illuminate it, making it visible to us on Earth. S1. How about we talk about the moon? It's such a fascinating celestial body that has intrigued humans for centuries. Do you know why the moon has phases? The phases of the moon are a result of its orbit around Earth and the varying angles at which sunlight hits it. That makes so much sense now. The changing shapes we see are just different portions of the moon's illuminated half. Can we see the moon during the day too? S1. Yes, it's possible to see the moon during daylight hours. Exactly. The moon can be visible during the day depending on its phase and position in the sky. The moon doesn't produce its own light. It's a common misconception that the moon glows on its own. We see the moon because it reflects sunlight. The sun's light bounces off the moon's surface and reaches our eyes. As the moon orbits Earth, we see different parts of its lit-up side, which is why it changes shape in the sky. This cycle repeats approximately every 29.5 days.
Yes, we can sometimes see the moon during the day. It's often visible in the morning or late afternoon. It all depends on its position in the sky and the phase it's in. For example, during the first quarter and last quarter phases, the moon is often visible during the day.
This has been so much fun, Alex. I love learning about space.
Me too, Jamie. Science is full of amazing discoveries. Let's keep exploring more topics next time.
Absolutely. I can't wait for our next adventure in science.